Lighting uses approximately 20% of energy. Smart lumen solutions and constant illuminance improve efficiency, reduce waste, and boost mood. What is constant illuminance control? Constant illuminance control maintains same level, adjusts output regardless daylight or time, maintains consistent versus traditional with fixed or occupancy controls. Working principle: constant illuminance control uses sensors to monitor ambient occupancy in real time, adjusts brightness to counter changes, reduces energy waste, enhances comfort for occupants. Comparison with conventional systems: constant illuminance control ensures steady light levels, boosting efficiency and satisfaction, unlike conventional dimming or motion sensors. Technological aspects: sensors measure room illumination, sending data to a central unit. Adaptive algorithms optimize lighting for energy savings and quality. Benefits of continuous illuminance regulation: constant illuminance control saves approximately 30% energy, enhances user experience, and supports sustainability by adjusting lighting based on needs. Factors to keep in mind: during implementation, designers implement constant illuminance control, considering area needs and infrastructure. Cost-benefit analysis and training ensure a smooth rollout. What are adaptive control technologies in smart lighting? Smart lighting adjusts automatically via sensors, dimming empty spaces and brightening occupied ones, optimizing energy efficiency. Constant illuminance control. Constant illuminance control balances natural and artificial light, maintaining consistent desk lighting levels and reducing energy waste. The benefits: constant illuminance control cuts energy usage, lowers costs carbon, improves visual comfort, reducing eye strain tiredness, maybe boosts productivity. Midnight dimming. Midnight dimming reduces lighting in unused spaces at night to a preset level, balancing security and energy savings for warehouses, hospitals, and retail spaces. Lumen depreciation compensation. Smart lighting compensates for lumen depreciation, maintaining consistent brightness and saving energy by optimizing power usage. How integration of adaptive control technologies enhance lighting efficiency. Constant illuminance, midnight dimming, lumen compensation in smart systems, reduce night adjust aging, optimizes approximately 35 to 40% street savings. LongJoin's solutions boost efficiency, save energy, and cut costs with features like constant illuminance and midnight dimming. Choose LongJoin for smart lighting.